Today, let's understand the concept of column level access control. Imagine your dataset is a table full of columns, like a buffet with different dishes. Column level access control lets you decide who gets to see which dish, just like opening the dish, right? HR might see salary and age, while marketing only sees region and product. In Microsoft Fabric, you can set these rules using DAX, that is DAX, DAX, or sensitivity label to hide sensitive columns from unauthorized users. This keeps private data secure while still allowing teams to analyze what they need. I hope you got the concept. Let's meet in our next lecture.